How do you know when to close a trade? For me, volume is very telling. Volume is the one thing that the big boys cannot hide. Their intention shows when there's large volume. Today, the market is very active in a 6 point range, plenty enough range to find profits in the charts. This morning, the bears tried to take price down to the 5 day moving average. It was defended by a defense. The bulls came in and rode it back up for 6 points, and there was no more continuation. Then the bears tried again to breach the 5 day moving average. There were bulls as well. Again, it was defended. There was great defense at that level, and the bulls came back up. And this time, they weren't able to get higher than their previous high. They ran out of continuation as well. So the bears stepped in again and made another attempt to breach the 5 day moving average. This is where you see volume on the bottom of the chart. The red volume bars is very strong compared to everything around it before. That shows you intention. The bears are trying with intention to breach this 5 day moving average. And you see the last candle right there. The white candle is the bears. It's a big, large candle with large volume. How do you know when to get out of the trade? So if you are in that short and you know that you're trying to breach the 5 day moving average, I'm going to show you what happens on the next candle, the next 1 minute candle. I'm going to move the chart over, and we're going to see 1 minute over. You see the volume on the bottom? The green volume bar surpassed the previous volume bar of the bears at that level. That shows you that there's a lot of orders. There was a lot of transactions by the bulls. They're defending this level strongly. They overpowered right there. This is one very good signal to be able to get out of your shorts, close your shorts, risk off, take profits, and then watch what happens next. I'm going to move the chart over 1 minute at a time. We see the bearish volume coming in strong. This tells you that this area is heavily defended. There's a lot of buyers' orders at this level. They are defending this level. If you would have held on to your short position, you would have gone into a loss because price just kept going up all the way to pink 596. So the one signal that you're able to use is volume. You see bullish volume, especially when it overtakes, it's larger than anything previous to it. That shows intention. You see that intention right away, you cut your trade. You take your profits and you wait for the next setup. You don't give anything back to the market. This is a great way to help you learn when to get out of a trade when you see the opposing volume come in and step in with intention.